Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Miss C. If you'd like to see how I designed this sweatshirt with faux applique, stay tuned for the video. This is the design. So I did measure out the fabric a little over 11 inches. Okay. Safety first. Now I'll just take the heat and bond, which is the ultra hold one, and measure it out against the fabric. There is a paper side and a rough side, so the rough side will go down on the mat. The rough side will go down on the fabric. And now I'm just heating my heat press up to 260 degrees and then I'll press it for 15 seconds. I'm gonna press the fabric first because it has a little wrinkle in it. Get that wrinkle out. It's still there, but it's not as prominent as it was before. And again, rough side onto the fabric. Okay, so right now I am pressing for 15 seconds. And it is attached to the fabric. Okay, so the heat press is set at 325 for 15 seconds. I'm just going to press the shirt or crease the shirt down the middle to make sure everything is nice and even. Okay, so once got the middle, now I watched countless videos, and the one that helped me the most was Crafting with Delonda. Thank you, Delonda. And this looks like the middle. So then I'll take my glitter vinyl and I'll press it about this low. That looks about right. Oh, still looks. Let's do it. Like I said, I have several of these layers to do, so, well, not several, but 3. know I should have done this in silver. Okay. Now comes the tricky part. Which I did not leave that be. Ugh. Great. Let's do it. Oh. Layer. And it shrinks, so it's weird, but it shrinks. Of course, that got stuck on. I felt something was missing, so I added the cityscape to the design. Well, that looks 100% better. Oh my gosh. I was just so over that little piece that was not that was empty right here. So here is the final shirt. I absolutely love the results. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.